Hello, this is Lucy. Hello. It's our paper cutting time. This is our pattern today. Let's start. We are back to our folding method 3, which will make the pattern repeat 6 times. You need a triangle ruler with 60 degrees. If you don't have one, find the link below, and you will know how to fold a 60 degree with a piece of squared paper. The pattern on the left is for your reference. If you want to make it easier or even more complicated, just go ahead. Alright, now it's cutting time. Start the details from the pointy side. Use 2 cuts for this little triangle shape here. For this one, let's cut the top curve first. And we have an opening. It's make it easier for us to cut the details here. Same thing for the other side of the irregular shape. This pattern is not as easy as our previous patterns. Let me just cut it slowly so you can have a better idea where to start. And it's actually pretty easy. for today. If you like it and want to see more pattern and color, subscribe now and tell me any color combination you would like to see. I will try it. Alright, see you next time.